So I love Japanese food on the grill, yakitori style. Today I'm going to cook some simple, lovely Japanese food, some yaki onigiri, some grilled rice balls. Nice and simple to make using sushi rice on a hot grill. And I'm cooking these over lovely Big K Binchotan charcoal, which will give a nice heat. So you want to get some cooked sushi rice and wet your hands, lightly wet your hands, and then pick up a handful and start moulding it, working it together, not overworking it, just bringing it together like that, kind of a half triangle shape. Okay, and I'm going to pop that on the grill. You don't want to overwork it, just bring it together nicely. We're going to be brushing these with some nice mirin and some soy sauce once we've got a nice sear on them. They're done now, they just need to get lightly toasted and crispy. All I'm going to dress them off with is some seaweed on top. I'm going to go for a little sriracha mayo and then a little bit of sesame oil on top.